shapes or solids, such as a cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, and hemisphere. But how can we find the surface areas of such solids? Notice that in each figure, a solid has been surmounted or lies upon another solid. In other words, these solids are a combination of one or more 3D shapes. For example, this solid is a combination of two cubes. In the second solid, a cone surmounts a cuboid. In the third example, a hemisphere surmounts a cylinder. Similarly, in the fourth solid, a cone surmounts a hemisphere. We can find the surface area of each of the composite solid by adding the surface areas of the individual solids that are combined to form the composite solid. So, to find the total surface area of the first composite solid, we add the lateral surface areas of both cubes, say cube A and cube B, along with the area of the top face of cube A and the area of the bottom face of cube B. Thus, we can determine the total surface area of the entire solid. Now, the second composite solid is made up of a cone and cuboid. So, we can find the total surface area of this solid by adding the curved surface area of the cone and the total surface area of the cuboid. Observe that the base of the cone covers some part of one face of the cuboid. Thus, we subtract that area from the sum of the surface areas of cone and cuboid. In the third example, the total surface area of the composite solid is the sum of the curved surface area of the hemisphere and the curved surface area of the cylinder, along with the area of one of the bases of the cylinder. Finally, in this composite solid, we find the surface area by adding curved surface area of the cone and the curved surface area of the hemisphere. Can you identify how to calculate the total surface area of each of these objects? This solid is a combination of a cone, a cylinder, and a hemisphere. We can find the total surface area of this solid by adding the curved surface areas of the cone, cylinder, and hemisphere. In the second solid, notice that the hollow or depression is in the form of a hemisphere. So, we can find the total surface area by adding the total surface area of the cube and curved surface area of hemisphere, and then subtracting the area of the base of the hemisphere. Let's learn how to calculate the surface area of a composite solid that is made up of a combination of solids of different shapes.